everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today's topic it shocked me, like seriously, like the thing they shock me. Say hey, say person go dey alive, they go they do a burial. Me, I never see this kind of thing before. This video, my darling people, the thing they shock me. Like this man, he never me. He say they alive, but he say he want plan he burial down. Like he go at the way he take kneel down, and so they go take do one for him. Like they do the burial when in they alive because na so in take kneel down. So they don't do one down now. So if you can't me, you know, it can't be new thing again because now to can't die, I can't remain now. Because in day 73 years old, you know. Say so he want your plan he burial down. I can't be shocked, say person go day alive, they go see the plan he burial for ground. Hey, not the way Musa no go see forget. The one way me know be say you go they pay your insurance, like you they pay your debt insurance down, you they pay the money down in case if you pay me, though you don't know where they go put you. And I what it mean no be that one. But this one will be say the person go there alive, they go the plan e burial done. Hey, this one shocked me, oh my darling people. This one shocked me when I see the video. I say, what's it gonna happen for this world now? Is this world coming to an end? Like seriously? I never see this kind of thing before. I go put the video more na see my darling people. Like the things they shock me. I beg more na leave una comment for comment section if you don't ever see this kind of thing before, because me I never see this kind one, this kind of thing before. Say they plan burial down. As in, you talk what you need for your burial. Then, in case they're going to do the burial down, do everything. If you can't remember, you know, can't be not to just can't die. And I can't remember, but they already planned everything for ground. And this man don't first go. He don't first stay Europe before this man. So you know, so it's not the way he kneeling down. Now it be this one. That the way he just stay kneeling down, it be this one. He go there. And life they go they do a burial. I say, hey, when I don't ever see this kind of thing before, my darling people. Wait till they play, wait till they happen for this world. Is this world coming to an end? Hey, my darling people, don't see when Musa no go see forget. Oh, like this is the shockalize me. Cause me, I never see this kind of thing before. I never see them for my life. Like seriously. Say person go dey alive, they go dey plan a burial for a present. They go dey, they carry coffee around, they do everything, and in there they will go they look them. Say that the way you want, and I just be that one. Things they change every day. Oh, things they read it. That's the things they happen for this world. Like seriously, things they read they happen. Person dey alive, they go they plan a burial. Oh, to root dog back not the way Musa no go see forget. So that's how the world can be now. Wait till this world now can they turn it to now. My darling people, this one shocked me. Like seriously, I don't lie now. It shocked me. Say, person they alive, that they plan the burial down. They by itself they plan the burial. Say, see it one time. My blogger people, that's why I talk and ratio. I go put the video more on see about myself. So more on see look how wait till una raise like it makes sense like this. Say person go they alive, they go they plan the burial down. So anything wanna think about the video, more on leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. So I'll put the video now more on watch, more on see what they talk about. Bye. And subscribe if you have not subscribed before you watch this video, please. Subscribe and watch the video to the end so that you go know how you go take comment for this video. Thank you. Bye.
I've been done plan my funeral, and in fact we do the celebration 3 years ago when I was 70 years old. My name be Chief Dr. Clement Usoro. I be 73 years old. The preparation what I don't do be say there is something called will. I don't write my will and I continuously update it to make sure it keeps up with the time. I don't build my grave, which is where we are standing right here. It's a 9 by 9 by 18 feet deep grave, and I don't build a mausoleum around it. My friend went with me to the coffin site. He saw one that I liked. He decided to buy it for me. As somebody who is a chief, the certain things you have to do before or after you die, or after you die it can be done, or you do it before you die. I think I don't give cow for all the chiefs that I got already, so that has been taken care of. So the chiefs have been consulted and they know that I have done that, so my children know what to do when I go. I not want to make the do ceremony. I consider ceremony a waste of money and time, because I see many families use the money they take make business. When somebody died, at that time they go to build house, paint house, make many things that they would have done when the person before it and would have enjoyed it and maybe would have made him live longer. So I not want to make them do all those things. The instruction where I give my children when I pass on is make sure you bury me in about 3 days' time. I not want to make them keep me for a long time. I tell them I not want to make them display me for viewing, because I don't want people to view me when I die. Normally, every viewing which I go, the body not they look fine. So I don't want to make the viewing when I die. I don't want when they put that foam in my nose. So that is why I actually decide to greet my friends when I'm alive, so I can shake them hands, talk to them, share things with them, share fun with them when I'm still here. What thing make me plan my funeral be say when I there overseas in New York, many funeral places come to me, give me letters, say may I come plan my funeral with them. I consider I want to live among my people. So I said, okay, I better, rather than plan it with them, maybe I take the money, come to my village and plan my own funeral with my people. When people come to my sitting instead, some of them were shy. Some of them didn't want to talk about it. Some of them couldn't believe about it. We decided to talk about it. People asked me questions about it. So the questions that people asked, I was able to answer them to their satisfaction. I believe, sir, the plan I made will be respected because it is guided by very responsible individuals. So the family will certainly make sure that my wishes are granted. There is nothing I would like to be done that I have not done when I am alive.